What's up, ladies and gents? Dread here. I'm very excited to announce that myself and Wookie will be taking on the world of Payday 3 this weekend. That's right, we're going to be robbing banks, blowing stuff up, and having an absolute blast. But that's not it. We'll be including some cool giveaways this weekend as well, including an Evetech mousepad, 2 Lenovo shirts, as well as an Evetech hamper. But that's not it. You can still enter to be a lucky winner of the Lenovo P12 Pro tablet. A premium tablet with a stunning display, powerful performance, and a long battery life. It's the perfect tablet for entertainment, gaming, productivity, and much more. To enter, it's as simple as joining the stream this Saturday at 9:30. We will be streaming live on Facebook, YouTube, Kick, as well as Twitch. But please note, all the giveaways are exclusive to Twitch. So can't wait to see you guys. Check you soon.